Good morning, students. Today, let us study the story line by line. A rupee goes a long way. It means 1 rupee coin travels far and wide. We don't know through how many ways, how many means, through how many people, through how many households, and so on. But it travels so far and wide. Ranji had 1 rupee coin. So Ranji had 1 rupee coin. So he made his way to the Jumna sweet shop, tossed the coin on the counter, and asked for a rupees worth of jalebis. So Miss Ranji had 1 rupee coin. He took the coin and went to the Jumna sweet shop, which is very popular or famous for jalebi. He went there and tossed the coin. He tossed the coin and asked jalebi for worth 1 rupee. The shopkeeper looked at the coin carefully. So when he gave the coin, who gave? Ranji gave the coin to the shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper looks at the coin carefully. Maybe it was so old by appearance, that's why he examined the coin very carefully. That coin's no good, he said. So after examining the coin, the shopkeeper said, this coin is not good. It is not use of it. Are you sure? Ranji asked. So Ranji is inquiring whether he is telling lie or it is true. These coins went out of use long ago, said the shopkeeper. So shopkeeper explains to him, saying that 1 rupee coin is not used. It is of no use. Nobody takes. The people don't take. It is not useful in the market. It isn't old enough to be valuable, and it isn't new enough to buy anything. So the shopkeeper tells him further that now you cannot buy anything with this coin. Nobody will take. It is useless. It is of no value. It is not valued by anyone. So you will not get anything in the market. Ranju shrugged, took the coin back, and turned on to the road. So shrugged means just he put his shoulder like this and he went back from that shop. Soon Ranji was wandering through the bazaar. Wandering means he was roaming around here and there in the market, when he heard a familiar voice behind him. Meanwhile, he hears one known voice. Familiar means known voice to him in the market. Where are you going, Ranji? So that familiar voice is asking to Ranji, where are you going? It was Mohinder Singh, Ranji's friend. It was none other than who? The friend of Ranji, Mohinder Singh. So Mohinder Singh was the one who asked Ranjit, saying that where are you going? In one hand, Mohinder held a homemade fishing rod. And Mohinder had what? He had one homemade fishing rod. It means he had gone for fishing somewhere. I am not going anywhere, said Ranji. Ranji said in reply that he was not going anywhere. Where are you going? So Ranji asked to Mohindra, where are you going? I am not going. I have been, Mohindra said. So Mohindra is telling that he is also not going anywhere, but he had gone somewhere. Now he is not going anywhere. I was fishing in the canal all morning. So he tells that he was fishing in the canal all morning, but he caught nothing. Ranji stared at the fishing rod. So Ranji somehow liked the fishing rod. That is why he is staring. Staring means his eyesight is fixed. His eyes are fixed on fishing rod. Will you lend it to me? He is asking. Can you give the fishing rod to me? He asked. Will you? You will only lose it or break it, Mohinder said. So Mohinder is not ready to offer, not ready to give. He is thinking that if he gives fishing rod to Ranji, Ranji may lose it or break it. That is why he is not willing and ready to give. But I don't mind selling it to you. But on the other hand, on the contrary, he is ready to sell. He is not ready to give simply, but he is ready to sell. 2 rupees. And the cost of that fishing rod is how much? Only 2 rupees. But Ranji had only 1 rupee. How can he buy? I have got 1 rupee, said Ranji. Ranji is telling that he has only 1 rupee. But it's an old one. He is telling that it is very old one. Nobody is taking for anything. The sweet seller would not take it. He is telling that sweet seller did not take this coin because of it is so old, no use. Please let me see it, said Mohinder. So Mohinder is ready to see the coin, how it is or what condition. He took the coin and looked it over. So he took the coin and he is examining thoroughly. I don't suppose it's worth much. He also says the same, that it is not worth. It is not worth. But my uncle collects old coins. He says that his uncle collects the old coins. Give it to me. Give it to me and I will give you the rod. But he is ready to take 1 rupee of coin and ready to give the fishing rod. All right, said Ranji, happy to make the exchange. So Ranji is so happy and glad because he liked the fishing rod. That is why he is ready to exchange or to buy with 1 rupee to this fishing rod. He took the fishing rod, waved goodbye to Mohinder and set off. So as soon as he exchanged the fishing rod with 1 rupee or bought with 1 rupee, he said he did not take much time. He said goodbye to Mohinder and went away. After some time, a truck came along. So when he was moving through the road, one truck comes. Ranji knew the driver and waved and shouted to him until he stopped. So Ranji knew the driver, that is why he started shouting to driver, saying, stop. He wants to go somewhere. Will you take me to the river? He asked. Can you take me to the river? Ranji asked. I am going fishing. So he is telling that he is going for fishing. So can you take him also till the river? Climb up in the back, the driver said. So driver asked him to climb back. Ranji climbed into the back of the open truck. So Ranji went behind and climbed up on the truck. Soon he was watching the road slide away from him. Slide means falling down the soil or mud beside the road. That is called road slide, or even road sometimes. So he is watching through the truck. In a while, the truck stopped near the river bed. After a few while, truck reaches to the river bed and stopped. Ranji got down. So Ranji, what does he do? He got down from the truck, thanked the driver, and began walking along the bank. So he says thank you to driver and started walking beside the river or bank of the river. It was the dry season, and the river was just a shallow, muddy stream. Ranji walked up and down without finding water deep enough for the smallest of the fish. So, since it was the summer season, there was very less water in the river. There was no depth or no deep water. He did not find even a small single fish. Just he went up and down, he did not find any fish. No wonder Mohinder let me have his road, he muttered. So, when he was walking up and down, he was grumbling himself. He was regretting maybe that he bought this fishing rod without any use, because there is no water and no fish in the river. And with a shrug, he turned back. So again he lifted up his shoulder, something like that, shrug, and started going back towards the bazaar. So this is enough for today. Thank you.